How to invite friends in Tonkeeper. Inviting friends to Toonkeeper can earn you referral rewards and help them get started with Toncoin. But in order for us to get this done, we are going to have to use Hamster Kombat for this one. So what you are going to do is hit over to browse, and here in the browse you should be able to see the address bar here, so go ahead and type here Hamster Kombat. So you can see this one here in the search result. Go ahead and click that one, and then we're going to go ahead and click the first one that comes out here. Now here in the Hamster Kombat, you can go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see an option that says play now, so go ahead and click that one and you will be redirected to your Telegram account. Now from here you are going to go ahead and click play in one click. After doing so, you should be seeing something like this. Alright, now from here there is an option down below that says friends. Go ahead and click that one, and then there is an option here that says invite a friend, so go ahead and click that. And by the way, these are the rewards that you are going to get if you are going to invite friends. So as you can see, that's quite a lot, right? Now go ahead again, click the invite a friend button, and you will be redirected to your Telegram account. From here you can go ahead and send this to your friends. Say for example, I'm gonna try to go ahead and send it here. So I'm going to click that one, and then here is the message, as you can see. Now you can go ahead and tap the send button here, and that is how you are going to get this done. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.